Hello real traders, welcome to my channel. So today I want to show you how you can trade with the candlestick psychology. So it is a very easy task to do, but it needs so much time and also practice. So let's see what we can get here. As you can see, the market is trying to go down very strongly. Here we have some buyers that they are trading, but here in other hand you can see we have a level. Let's see how this candle will react here. So this is a very strong candle, but there is also a level. If I get some margin, I will go down, otherwise I will wait only. So don't jump in a trade. Okay, this good. Okay, so I place my trade here with some margin with this round number. As you can see, there is 20 in this round number. So I place with some margin of safety. So even the market close a weak candle, a green wick candle like this, still I will get ITM. So that is why I place my trade with some margin. Again, the bar trying. So let's see how it's will close. So that is why I place my trade here. Because of this level, here there is a level, and here there is a level, but with some margin. Here I place my trade. Okay, it go red, and we got ITM here. So let's analyze the next chart. So there is an uptrend, right? We are seeing here 3 red candle and then a reversal sign here. We need to confirm this level. So there is no past market, but I saw the strength already in this candle. If it go a little down, okay, very good, I place my trade here. Why? Because I saw the strength in this candle itself. See the bar shooting right now to upward. So that is my reason. My confirmation is these strong candles. Even though this is a late entry and I'm not recommending you to place your trades like this, but because the pressure, I was sure it will go at least higher than this week. Okay, so higher than this week the market will go, and you can see it close a strong candle, so like that. But it is better always to confirm this level, which it must be a good and a strong level. Then it is more sure for you to go with the next candle. Okay, let's go for the next chart. So here the major trend here trying to go down the market, it retracement here, the minor up, and now here the market trying to go down. So it is at this level, at this swing, and we are seeing some buyers entry. So let's see what will happen for this candle. Then we need to see the conditions here, and if it was good we can go for a trade. Okay, again some buyers trying here. Okay, I'm not sure about this, so I will change the chart. So no pressure here on me to risk in the places that I'm not sure. So you need to be like this exactly. There are some places in the market that you are not sure, so just wait for right opportunity, and then only you can go. So here there is a strong uptrend. Let me check for a level here, and there is no past here also. This market trying to break. If it break, I will go continuation here, because there is a ranging. So if it break, I think we can go for continuation here, and the candle is a strong. Okay, very powerful candle here. Okay, this candle turning too long, but no problem, the pressure is still there. I go for the buyers here, and I hoping this candle continue, but this candle, as I told you, it is too long. So always need to here be careful about too long candle. So too long candle also, it can act as a reversal sign. Okay, no problem. Here I will recover this trade because I think it will reject at least and go higher than this place here. Okay, now it rejects. So that is why I place my recovery right away at this candle. Okay, let's see. Okay, I hope it just reject and go back and close green. But anyway, I save my trade with these two here. Okay, it didn't. So the reason was this strength. As I told you at the beginning, it wasn't a short trade, but here, see, I confirm my trade and see, I recover and get profit at the same candle here with the margin. So you do these techniques. This will help you so much. Okay, so no need to be worried about it. It will help you so much. Okay, so about the long, very long candles, you need to be careful always. Like this one, see here, a very long candle. What you are seeing, a reversal, and the market is full of this example, the long candles like this one. See, a very long candle, there is a reversal happen. On this case also we had a very long candle. If this candle closed normally, like a normal breakout like here, for example, you can continue to the next level, but it closed very big candle, so it wasn't good at all. Okay, here uptrend, very strong uptrend. There is a round number, but the pressure of the bars is there. But there is a round number. It's better to wait only. If this round number, I don't have any past, but if this round number be a resistance, the market can easily reject and reverse. Okay, so that is why I wait here for this candle to see it will respect this round number or not. And also, whenever you don't have any past, it is not good because the information is so much low. As you can see, it worked as a level, and see the market reverse. So this round number. So don't forget about this point also. The level are not just horizontal line. Okay, so many of you are familiar to the horizontal lines. Easily you can locate this level, easily you draw them and like that, but always you forget about the round numbers like this one and trend line. So be careful about this. Be careful about the round number and trend line. Maybe you go and fall in this trap and place a higher option, you lose. What is the reason? This round number. So be careful about this and always pay attention. Pay attention to the levels, which is the trend line, the round number, and also the horizontal line. All these three are very, very important. Till now, I think we placed 3 or 4 trades and we got all item except one loss, which we recover right away. Okay, so it's enough for today video, and thanks everyone for watching. Please share and subscribe to my channel. Have a good day. Goodbye.